Welcome back to another episode of today's project guide. Today I am chasing down the culprit of some unwanted vibration that I've been getting while driving down the road. Cruising speeds through the city, about 35 miles an hour or so. I'm getting this really odd vibration from underneath the hood someplace. It feels like it's on the driver's side front wheel, but it's not. I think I've located the culprit. So today I'm going to show you how to take apart your old motor mount and replace it with a brand new one. I haven't really been able to find the solution to this problem until today. I went down to my local parts store and picked up a brand new motor mount, and as you can see, I think right here is the culprit. It looks pretty worn out and old, so I'm going to take this one out. I'm going to replace it with a brand new part that I picked up today. Looks about the same. Hopefully everything goes nice and smooth. I think that this is the culprit right here. I feel like after replacing it, we should have a nice smooth idling engine again. It shouldn't be shaking so much in the driver's side. So let's get started. So first things first, you want to make sure that you get up underneath your engine and support the engine with a jack and a board underneath your oil pan. We're going to be taking apart this motor mount, and we want to make sure that the weight of the engine doesn't drop it sideways and put any stress on anything and hurt anything. So it looks like we're going to take out this 10mm to free up, I believe, a air conditioning line, and then we have 14 and 2 17s here, and then a 17mm on the side here. So I've already hit it with some penetrant. Let's see if we can unscrew these in a timely fashion. Okay, so I got the first 3 bolts out. Well, 2 nuts and 1 bolt from right here. Next, I have to take out this last bolt, a long one, right here. And I've already cracked them all free, so hopefully this thing comes out nice and easy. Alright, so I got all the bolts pulled out of it. I've got the long bolt pulled out of the center. Came out right there. And now I'm going to try to take this old motor mount out, and we're going to start throwing the new one in. Alright guys, so after a little bit of elbow grease, a lot of twisting and cranking on these bolts, we got this old broken motor mount pulled out of here, and we got the new one installed. So I'm going to show you the old one. This right here is the old one. It had these 2 dampers on it or whatever, I'm not sure, but as you can see, the rubber is actually broken all the way around except for in these little corners here, and that leads me to believe that this is the source of my vibration. So I'm going to take it for a drive in a few minutes here, and I will let you know in the comments below if that fixed the problem. I'm pretty sure it did. Alright guys, so we got the old motor mount out and in the bin. We've got this nice new motor mount in place that should stop the vibration that I was feeling. So if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below with ideas for my next video. Subscribe, and I don't know if I've mentioned this yet, but this is still pretty early in on this build. We're going to be going through this engine a lot more in depth. We're going to be doing some work with the cylinder head. We're going to be replacing fuel injectors. We're going to be upgrading the exhaust, the turbo. And if you want to keep in tune with this channel, feel free to subscribe and let me know what you think. Thanks a lot, guys.